Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to show you how we repair iPhone XSs. So this one tends to have a very defective screen, so maybe the client had it repaired somewhere else and the screen is not really that responsive. Maybe it's a low quality screen, so we're going to replace it with our own display. So the iPhone repair is deceptively very easy at first. When you look at the YouTube videos that you might want to plan to do it yourself, you might think that it's very easy to open it, change the screen and what have you. But you have to remember that the iPhone is very tricky, because when you misplace a screw or put it back the wrong way, the wrong screw at the wrong hole, it might not boot up, or it may result in a boot loop or some startup issues in the future. So if you want a successful screen replacement, always, if you can, seek professional help. Here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we are certified to repair iPhones. So because we have the proper tools and the proper training and the experience, years of experience with our repair technicians. So this one, we're going to detach the camera modules, the attachments on the old display to the new one. You might want to know that when you replace something in a device, all you have to do is to transfer everything the proper way. And when you replace something, make sure that it fits and it has the proper adhesives, such as the iPhone, because the iPhone has adhesives at the sides just like any other modern smartphones. So if you want to replace it, you should always think that it needs some adhesives to put it back on and to retain its waterproofness. So if you're going to just put it back without the adhesives and just the clips, if you rely on that alone, you might have water ingress and slightest rain. You may forgot that you don't have the adhesives, so you need the adhesives to protect it from water damage. So this time we're going to transfer all the scanners, the camera, the antenna modules on the new display. And before we install the new one, we're going to test it first without closing in the two halves of the device, the display and the back panel, just to check if it works. So this one works, and we're going to test the touch capabilities of the new display, if it responds properly, because this is the original issue of the old display. We'll test it for the client, and we're going to test all the... Yep, this all works, the camera. So we're going to do the final assembly with the proper brackets. And remember that these screws could not be interchanged, so a professional can really help you out, do the proper job. And then time to close the device and do the final testing. Okay, it all works. So if you want to have your iPhone repaired with the proper replacement screens to retain the original image quality, visit us in Sydney CBD Repair Center or call us if you need any help. So till next time guys, Cheers.